So, students, in this video, we are going to discuss advanced accounting question paper, whether any question is wrong and whether any question is right. Everything we will discuss means question paper key like that you can think. So, whatever the questions I have said in my previous videos, that is came or not, we will discuss in this video, because many of the students are getting disappointment after writing this examination, because everyone are saying that Akka, I have not got tallied. Balance sheet was not get tallied, like that they were asking. So, in this video, I will tell you the clear cut and explanation where you can feel happy. Okay. So, in part A, students, first question is revaluation account. They were asked for 4 marks. What is mean by revaluation account? When asset is increasing, we should write it in credit side. When asset is decreasing, we should write in debit side of revaluation account. Same like that, when liability is increasing, we should write side in debit side. When liability is decreasing, we should write in credit side of revaluation account. Like that you need to explain, and if you should draw the pro forma of the revaluation account, like particulars amount, debit, credit. Revaluation account deals with the adjustment which you are having in your balance sheet. That is called the revaluation account. If you write this like type of stuff, you will easily get 4 marks in this question. 4 marks. Okay, students. Next question is what is purchase consideration? What are the methods to calculate it? This is also we didn't discuss this. So okay, we will leave this for choice. Okay, and the third question is what they have asked. Rahul was holding 100 shares of 10 100 each, 80 per called up share, everything they were asked from unit number 3. So unit number is definitely it's a typical unit, as I have said. Even I too don't know about the unit number 3. And from unit number 4, what they have asked, ascertain the change in inventories. What is we should do? This is a 4 marks question, easy question. Opening raw materials plus purchase. Opening raw materials is how much? Opening raw materials 70,000 plus purchases 3 lakhs minus closing raw materials plus works in education, work in progress. Like this type of things you need to do. We need to calculate the what are the change we are having in the inventories, the overall output, whatever we will get, that is the thing we need to consider it. Okay, so this is an easy thing. Okay, fourth one. Fifth one is from the following calculate the value of goodwill for the 3 years. Super profit method they were asked. Okay, average capital employed is 10 lakhs. Okay, and what they have as net profit was they were given net profit of last 3 years. So what we need to do, we need to calculate the average profit. How we need to calculate? 1,35,000 plus 1,60,000 plus 1,40,000 divided by 3. We will get the average profit method, right? So we will have this type of formula. You need to convert that into a formula and you need to attempt it. Okay, and the sixth one is ascertain the yield value of shares of Swadesh Limited. Average rate of dividend declared by Swadesh Limited 20%, and a normal rate of dividend declared by companies engaged in similar. So what they have asked, yield basis method from valuation of shares. I have said no. What is the formula of valuation of shares? Expected rate by normal rate into 100. To calculate the expected rate, we need to find out the average profit. This is all of the stuff we have discussed, no ma. So that's the thing. Okay, so from seventh question, what they have asked, differences between sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. This is the thing. And from eighth question, state the basis of division from the which following between pre incorporation and post incorporation. We need to still whether salaries working partner is pre incorporation or post incorporation, rent and buildings pre incorporation or post incorporation. Just we need to give the names. Okay, this is about the part A. If you should attempt any 5 questions, you will get 20 marks. So I hope that you have got attempted 5 questions. So coming back to the main topic, part B. Many of the students are saying that part B, ninth B question is wrong. I think so, akka, like that they were asking, but no, it is a correct question only. From ninth A, what they have asked, methods for preparation of capital accounts in partnership. In capital accounts, whatever, see, in capital partners capital, what are the pro forma we will draw, what are the entries will come in debit side, what are the entries will come in credit side. If you have wrote that as a theory, you will definitely get 12 marks. But many of the students were attempted level 9th b. Ninth B also easy, as I have discussed in our unit number 1 explanation videos. In revaluation account, this one will be calculated. C is a new partner goodwill we should share to old partner, and X was bring to the further cash would equal to 20% of the combined capitals of X and Y. Combined capitals means X capital is 10,000, Y capital is 8,000. 18,000 divided by 2 we should do. Okay. So 18,000 divided by 20% also you can do. So how much we will get? Wait 1 minute. 18,000 into 20%. If we do means we will get the new partner capital account, capital amount we will get. In the question they have said that X were admitted as a partner, but where is the capital of X? Z, sorry. Where is the capital of Z? What they said, combined capital of X and Y. What is the combined capital? 10,000 plus 8,000 into 20% it seems. Then we will get the value. That value is considered as a third partner's capital account. This is the only simple trick, remaining all same. Okay, so I hope that you have got clarity about this ninth B. So only if you have wrote only adjustment mistakes means only 2 to 3 marks they will deduct. Okay, and the 10th question, what they have said, students, dissolution of a firm. How much is this chapter? Whatever the question I have discussed in our video, that question only came in the examination of. The partnership between Sachin and Mahesh has dissolved 31st March 2020 on the date. Sachin capital was 1 lakh and Mahesh capital was 60,000. Bills payable, sundry creditors will come in credit side of realization account, right? And like assets represented, assets above assets realized assets will come in credit side of realization account 1,60,000. The expenses of realization expenses 3,000 will come in debit side in realization account. Remaining capital account and cash or bank account are same. This much easy problem, this much easy. I think that you were not followed our explanation video, students. So whatever the questions I have said, that questions only came in the examination all. And in second option also they have given dissolution only. And what they have given, no, not dissolution. Uh, they have sale of a company, sale of a company question. This is not dissolution, sale of a company. Okay, 10th A is dissolution. Okay, so as I have said, from level A means third unit prepare theory students, it will be useful because problematic is little bit difficult, I have already said. So if you have attempted problematic, no worries. If you attempted theory, no worries. Okay, and from unit number 4, the main crucial topic, night 1 o'clock I have done a video and many of the students were not confident about these questions. What is this, students? I am very much disappointed with you all. Okay, so here they've asked only profit and loss account. In profit and loss account, as I have said, you should prepare the pro forma only. In reserves and surplus, what it will come? Sale of products 4,57,000. Okay, and salary and wages will comes in employee benefit expenses in expenses side, right? Interest income, depreciation, these are all things are expenses only, no? Managers, directors, remuneration, everything I have discussed in video, everything I have discussed. You people are not watching, your wish, your bad luck it is. So level to be what they have said, balance sheet. Just we need to do whether it is a liability or asset. Sundry creditors is a liability. Call in arrears means we should minus it from reserves. Cash in and asset, cash at bank asset. Discount on issue of shares, discount we are receiving. Okay, goodwill asset. Interest payable on debentures, payable liability. Debentures amount. Just we need to do this is also you are not done. You are not confident. If you are attempted just calculation mistake only means only 2 or 3 marks they will detect it. Okay. And the last unit is valuation of goodwill and valuation of shares. As I said, if they ask valuation of goodwill problematic from valuation of shares, they will ask theory question. So this is the thing we need to discuss in valuation of shares. What are the things they have asked? What is valuation of shares? Explain the methods of valuation of shares. How many methods we are having, ma? Three methods. Net assets method, yield basis method, and whatever the method is having, fair value method. What is the net assets method? What are the formula? Average profit by amount available to equity shareholders by number of equity shareholders into 100. This is the formula. This is the to find out amount available to equity shareholders. We need to find out the table assets minus liability. We will get the amount available to equity shareholders. This is the net assets method. Net assets method is also called as intrinsic value method. This simple thing. And next method is yield basis method. Yield basis method means what is the formula? Expected rate by normal rate into 100. Right? This is the thing, very much easy question. Capital like fair value method means net assets method plus yield basis method divided by 2. If you have written like this, like 3 sides, then 12 marks definitely you will get. Okay. So this is about the advanced accounting. I have checked the whole paper. So there is not at all having any wrong question, and paper was damn easy. If you have followed my channel videos, it would be a easy question paper, as many some of the students, more than 10 to 15 students were said that ma'am, I have followed your videos and I have got advanced accounting as a very much well paper, like that they were saying. If you are not following our channel means you will not at all get anything. That's the thing, Ram. Okay, so don't concentrate about this exam. Already over is over. So I hope that you all will get passing marks. Don't worry and concentrate on the upcoming examination. Okay, so this is all about the video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends and groups. Okay, this video would be helpful for them also. See you all in the next video. Bye bye, students.